Run me down. Run me down now.
Here's a video clip. I want you to watch this video clip of this young man explaining what happened, and then I'm going to talk about how I feel about the whole situation and what I think should be done about the whole situation. Here's the video clip.
I select the gun and fire it. When I fire it off, I whistle to the class me yes, sir. Whistle class me yes. And it end up now woman over right over there, sir. Yeah, you have to not knock out. Every morning right here, some white black. Every morning. Every morning. People in pass for sir. People not a brother with me. And you come this morning. When the troublemaker said, tell like, you want to tell the police them say, me back nice for him. Nobody else see that. I lie my tell. I call to the man before the man fire the gun, you know. And the man still fire the gun. The man is a wicked man. Them people that have gun.
Welcome to SoFlo TV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So this story today, so what happened was, this is my theory. What happened was, this guy, which is a which is an off-duty police officer, right? An off-duty police officer riding in his vehicle approaches and stops at a light at an intersection where glass wipers are there. You know, in Jamaica, certain places we have them guys that come out and wipe the glass, wipe off your glass, even if you don't want the glass, wipe off sometime. Sometimes people just don't say anything to them, and people really don't have anything to give them, or some people are just malicious, make the picnic them wipe off the glass, or the young man them wipe off the glass, and they don't give them anything, right? You're not obligated to give them anything, I understand that. Some people just have them vehicle detailed coming from somewhere, and them spray something upon the vehicle that incenses or angers other people. So sometimes you tell them, hey, move away from here, man, or yo, no, me don't want you wipe my glass or anything like that. Don't mess up my car. Some of them, they stop. They don't do it, right? Some people, they might drive from other places, long journey, on the road, bugs, everything upon the windshield wiper not getting it off. The youth, them will give you a good quick squeegee thing for your glass, and we take it, and we give them a little change, a little $200, $100, clean off the glass, and them go on about them business, right? Onto the next car. Okay, it's a little hustle for them, a way for them to get some money in their pockets. As you know, Jamaica's unemployment rate is extremely high. I don't care what nobody want to tell me about it's down 50% or whatever. There are still a lot of young people out there sitting around idle all day with no form of employment. Now check this out. We said the devil find work for idle hands, right? So in this particular case, this off-duty police officer has his gun with him. Remember, the sign to tell them don't wipe your windshield glass is to turn on your windshield wiper. Because if you turn it on, it'll go so and the person can't wipe it. So, the youth said, the man, turn on the windshield wiper. I'm saying, alright boss, if you not come in your vehicle, everything good. Right? I'm saying to myself, maybe him say, suck your mother. Maybe. Just maybe. But I'm thinking again, these windshield wiper people, these boys, these men, these young men, them know them place in society in Jamaica. It's harsh to say it that way, but it's true. They know they're at the bottom of the totem pole. They know they're the dregs of our society. How they are looked up on as. Not that they are that, but how people classify them. Right? So, I don't think they're going to approach some nice vehicle with some man sitting in it. The youth say he's there at that same intersection religiously every single day. Nobody has a problem with him. So I can't see him going there and telling the man, suck your mother. But even if he did, even though the story now is that coming from the police that fired the shot, the out of uniform police that fired the shot and hit the lady instead of hitting the boy. Even if the youth did tell you suck your mother, is suck your mother something that warrants you pulling out a gun and shooting someone in the head? Or the thing you can just kill people, pick this up? Some of these police officers in Jamaica are really out of control, and we've seen countless videos on them now, making their rounds on social media. So up to recently, where the one that sped up and down the road, speed back up and down the road, and there were other police officers in that street meeting with the residents of that neighborhood. They were holding a meeting, right? How to govern them place and them thing there. And him speed back up speed back down, and he jumped out the vehicle, and the police officer in the crowd, out of clothing, was confronting him saying, yo, I saw you deal with people, you can kill somebody out here, you know, why you driving like that? Suck your mother, me a big bad police, suck your mother, and I'm a gun for me, I'm this and that, and he said, I'm going to report you to the commissioner. Commissioner, I own him commissioner, me a big bad police, commissioner can suck your mother too. Like, they are literally out of control. Like, some of them think that them are God on earth. Yeah? In this particular incident, I could not help but to think, this man was serious about killing this youth. Just for that. The youth not put no hand on you or nothing. And you have to tell a lie now. How many times have we heard in Jamaica where a youth was, I wonder what would have been his story. A youth was gunned down by a police officer, guns found on the scene, or one gun with 2 rounds of ammunition, or something like that. I wonder what would have been his story had he shot that boy. Because you hear the boy say, the shot fly past him ears, whistle so. A little bit more to that side, it would have been a headshot enough. What? You just kill somebody with a picnic like that. Kill some woman's son just like that. In the early morning then. What would have been the story that would have been told? The sad part about it is this. To how this police officer did not even care. You notice that other people were around him, fired the shot. Eyewitnesses are saying, you hear the elder that walked up in the video and said him even called to the man before him fired the shot. The man look and still fired the shot. Means say he was meant on killing that youth that morning. I run the youth run. And I don't think if that youth pull out no knife on him or did try rob him or do anything that's going to come about to try to cover up what he just did, I don't think that that youth would come back and give a video account to Star, Gleaner, Loop, any one of them prominent news outlets there. Is not no criminal. So when they run with the little youth them off of the street now and make them feel like so, we shoot them down for wiping car glass. And them go take up gun and turn gunman. Me prefer see them with a squeegee and a water bottle. But some people don't mind them being gunmen. I don't know. Talk to me in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about this. What do you think should happen to that police officer? Off-duty police officer, I think he should be stripped of his weapon. He should not be allowed to carry a weapon until further investigation is carried out. I also think that this is going to lead to, no way can they justify this. I'm following the story up because I want to hear how this was justified, and I want to hear if that person, that off-duty cop, is still allowed to carry a weapon. That youth, may I tell the youth this, move from the corner there. Okay? Me know you say you're there every day, and I know, but remember Kentucky Kid. Remember Kentucky Kid. That youth, that police officer might not be the one to come up and slap your next, but it might be one of his cronies. Youth, you chat too much. Hold this. Gunshot. That's how Jamaica run. That's how Jamaica run. It's sad. It's sad as hell that the people we depend on to protect us actually go on like say them own the place. And them own we too. And if you're from poor people part of town, then your life means nothing. Can't blame the youth them sometime when them pick up them rifle and say, yo, them are me and me I take up the life here. Even though I don't condone it, but I'm saying. It's SoFlo TV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Leave your comment in the comment section below. I'm almost out of YouTube jail, y'all. Which means I will be going live soon again. And which part me there in Florida now? Internet turn up to the max. That means that the video them are going to come through clear. And we're going to have some good live sessions. Alright? Look forward to it in a few more days. I'm out of here. Peace.